Hello, my Land Cruiser lovers. My name is June, and I am your average amateur mechanic. And I'm going to be helping you change your thermostat on your 1FZ-FE 80 Series Toyota Land Cruiser. So, let's hit it, let's get it done. First off, this will be found in your Land Cruiser Haynes repair manual on 3-3. This is going to be your part number. I purchased these parts from Parts Geek and or landcruiserparts.com. This is the old one, obviously. We're not going to go through the whole process because I don't like the camera angles. So this is the thermostat, the old one. And you're going to also have a gasket with a cavity there, and that's going to go around. You're going to have to feed that baby around. And this is a jiggle pin. Jiggle pin. That's what it says in the manual, jiggle pin. I don't know what it does, but it's cool. I thought it was broken when I first bought it. And that's going to be placed at the highest part. I'll show you what we're going after. First, you need to make sure your engine is cool, so don't run it, okay? You're going to need to let out all of your radiator fluid, which is your drain pin. Is on your driver's side at the bottom. You can't see it from here, but it's down in this area. It's kind of hidden in between your shroud and some pipes. So, you're gonna have to remove your skid plate and remove your radiator fluid. Okay, from that we're looking for this piece right here. Here's the front of the engine. Just left is going to be your water inlet, which is right here. Do you see it? Right here. This is connected to a hose, which is connected to your radiator. Okay, and you're going to have 3 bolts. 3 bolts. That's all it is. 3 nuts, and those are at 12 millimeter. You have one here, you have one here, and one hidden right underneath here. You're going to need you can get these bottom ones with, you're going to need an extension for one of them. So I think I have I think it's an 8-inch extension. You can reach it from right in this area, from here to here. And then you need a wrench, 12 millimeter wrench. But be careful with these when you're threading them back on. Someone, I believe, cross-threaded the bottom nut, so I had to buy another one from my parts store, which thankfully you can do. So beware of that. So once you remove the housing, you're going to have the thermostat, and it's going to look like this, okay, with the gasket around it. It'll be placed inside of here this way. And then I had to use needle nose pliers to remove the old gasket. I don't recommend using your needle nose to put the new gasket in, or the new thermostat in. It's very easy. Just slide it in with the gasket around it already. So pre-do your gasket, or install, I should say. From there, obviously you're going to tighten these back up. I don't know what the spec is on the torque. Mine was not intense, so you don't wrench down on these when you're done. And from there, you're going to refill your radiator, as much fluid. You're also going to fill up your, I forgot what they call these, whatever. You're also going to fill up your reservoir, that's right. And when you do that, you make sure you turn on your engine. You're going to put your heat on full blast, and then you're going to start your engine with your radiator cap off, and then you need to bleed the system with air. So once you turn it on, just let all the bubbles come up. You'll see more of your fluid, your radiator fluid, just drop down to a more equal level. Refill it up. I use the Toyota brand of radiator fluid, which is just helpful, and it makes me feel really nice. So hopefully that helps you with your thermostat and any issues you might have with it. Like I said, I'll put the links of where I get the parts down below. If you have any questions, great person to reference. His name is Ryan from OTRAM. He has a great YouTube channel that goes over 80 series, 100 series, even 200 series, but I will put a link of his stuff on the bottom here because he is a genius. Take care.